my country people, how you now day? We welcome you to Niger Lottery, the hottest #1 lottery for Niger. I've been an anchor, Francisca, and we want to start the business of this afternoon. If you're not checking our time at 3:45 p.m. and our time for waiting and time for the rich draw. If you're not noticing that they feel rich this afternoon, we can come, we can gather together, we can see as we expect the 5 lucky numbers for this afternoon rich draw. Okay, for our machine we get a total of 90 balls, number 1 to 90. And this machine for here now will select the 5 lucky numbers we will expect this afternoon. We can bring out in our tickets. Now no say now buy the rich draw ticket. Yes, now you can talk to we can come and we can come see as we want to start our game this afternoon. We wish you now the very, very best of luck. Okay, now you go begin the screen and let's try the first number for the rich draw this afternoon. And the first number that come out is number 23. Number 23. The second number, number 61. Number 61. The third number, number 32. And the fourth number, number 55. Number 55. 2 more numbers to go. Next number, number 81. Number 81. Now the last number, number 64. Number 64. 5 lucky numbers for the rich draw. Yes, all the 5 lucky numbers we expect for the rich draw don't come out. Okay, I will call the numbers one more time. Number 23, number 61, number 55, number 81, and number 64. Congratulations to our winners this afternoon for the rich draw. We then move on to the next one we they call the machine numbers. Yes, this machine for here will select 5 numbers for the machine. We then wish you the best of luck. I don't press the button one more time and we will begin the screen. Let's press the first number. Press number 17. Number 17. The second number of the machine this afternoon. Now single 8. Single 8. Okay. The third number. And the third number that comes under number 76. Number 76. The fourth number, number 40. Number 40. And the last number for the machine this afternoon is number 53. Number 53. Our 5 numbers for the machine this afternoon left. Okay. I will call the numbers once again. Number 17, single 8, number 76, number 40, and number 53. Congratulations to all our winners. But just in case say in our numbers no come out, now we trying our luck again for our Ghana games we get later on this evening. And of course, the last draw for the evening where we call the Niger Gold. If it be you and I know say winners they always emerge for Niger Lottery. We won't tell you now about our second game where they call the instant game. Now 1 out of 36 as now they play. Now so the results they come out for our machine. Now they win sharp, no they waste time at all. So make now visit our nearby agents. Make now ask them about our instant game. They go explain and give you now so now fit play and enjoy yourself. Winners they always event for Niger Lottery. Now if you visit our social media pages, yes, we did for Facebook. All the winning numbers and the machine numbers is for our Facebook page. Now if you like our page, you can drop in our suggestions and of course you can comment. The videos that we do for you too from Monday to Sunday. Yes, it's for our YouTube channel. Make you subscribe for there and make you don't miss any of our draws at all. And of course we do for Instagram and Twitter. So make you continue to patronize Niger Lottery. We wish you the very best of luck. Make